unboxing a fancy purse from Shein. Tignan natin kasi first time ko lang mamili doon ng mga ganito. Well, obviously, meron akong aatinan na fancy event. Mga this coming February. So, ito ang isa sa mga ipaparis ko sa damit. Look. Napakamura lang ito, you guys. Napakamura. Wala. It's like $13 or wala pa atang $10. Pero napaka-cute, ano? It's very cute. Kasya ang cellphone, maliit na wallet, tsaka isang lipstick. Yun lang naman ang kailangan pag nasa event ka, di ba? But you need to have your cellphone. Ang cute niya, you guys. It's a silver. Cute, very cute. And here's another one. This is pink naman. Kasi I have to, dalawang pagpipilian. Dalawang pinagpipilian kong damit. Isa is pink, isa is silver. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Wow, look at this. Pink with gold, ano, tawag dyan. Ah, my God. Wow, so cute. Mas maganda ito, you guys. Ang cute, ang cute. Yeah. I like the design and I like yung ano, yung pagka-pink niya. But it depends if I wear the pink dress, it's gonna be this one. If I will wear the other color, it's gonna be the silver one. Pareho naman silang cute, di ba? Both of them are cute. Very fancy! Pero, hindi ko sasabihin kung anong event. But, there will be an event. Thank you, you guys. Comment me down below kung sinong mas maganda dyan. The silver or the pink. Thank you.